Hello, my darlings. I hope everyone is doing wonderful. Thank you so much for stopping by. Let's just jump into DIY number 1. I'm using a wooden round plaque from Hobby Lobby. I found those beautiful folk art stencils at Michael's. They were like $5 each, so I wanted to use them. Since I'm a proud Plaid ambassador, I am enjoying using all the Plaid products. So I put that butterfly stencil and I'm gonna add the wording, "Never hide your wings." What a beautiful message. For the butterfly, I'm using a lilac folk art paint, using a sponge brush, and for the wording, I'm using a black apple barrel paint. Simple as that. And it came out perfect. Perfect for spring, perfect for summer. I'm loving it. Next, I'm using this ribbon that I found in my crafting stack, and I'm just gonna glue it around the edges of my round sign, just like so, using a hot Gorilla Glue. Now when that part is done, I'm making a bow from this burlap polka dot ribbon from Dollar Tree. Just a simple 4 loops bow. Tie them with a twine in the middle. I added the same material ribbon to cover it and glue it on top of my sign. And look how cute it came out. Next, I'm adding these beautiful butterflies 3D stickers from Dollar Tree. They're so beautiful, beautiful colors. So I'm just gonna add a couple of them around my sign. Let me know, what do you think? I'm really loving how it came out. Today, I'm so happy that I'm a part of What Would You Make Challenge, hosted by my amazing friend Zana and Connie. Zana from OK at Home DIY. She's amazing friend, beautiful creations, thrift lips, anything you like you can see in her channel. Along with Connie from Connie's Creative Creations, amazing home decor as well, all kinds of stuff you can find in her channel. And this month, guest host is my amazing, talented friend Brenda from Rustic and Lace DIY. All these 3 ladies, super talented creators. Along, we're gonna have amazing playlist with so many talented creators on it and lots of inspiration. With that being said, I'm jumping into my DIY number 2. I found this finished wooden box from Michael's only for $5. I mean, I could have made it, but it would have cost me more. So it came out perfect. I'm adding more of these folk art stencils. This time I'm adding this beautiful birdie and more beautiful cutouts from that stencil as well. Not too much, just a little bit. And I'm trying to figure out where I'm gonna set them in before I put the paint on. Next, the paint that I will be using will be the white Arctic paint from Folk Art Terracotta, with the help of a sponge brush going all over the stencil. Simple as that. Going on top of the flower edges and all that beautiful cutout details. I didn't want it to add extra paint because the wood is already dark, and with that Arctic white, look how beautiful it came out. You gotta let me know what do you think. I'm really loving it. I added some beautiful greeneries, flowers, and that's how it came out. And for the DIY number 3, I found this beautiful large wooden sign, also from Michael's. It was on a 50%, it was on the Easter section, and also more stencils, also from Platt, where it says, "Welcome to our beautiful chaos." What a beautiful message, huh? And look at this beautiful sign with that beautiful flower wooden cutouts on the corner. I am really loving it. Now I'm trying to settle where the wording's gonna be painted at, and it's gonna turn out beautiful. With the brush, I'm adding a black apple barrel paint all over the wording. Working with the stencils, I'm adding antique wax mixed with water and going all over these beautiful flower cutouts with the leaves with a brush. I don't want to be that dark, so after that I'm gonna use a wipe just so we can have that beautiful brown look for these cutouts. What I will be adding to this sign is these beautiful transfer on stickers from Dollar Tree. I found them and I was so happy because look at the beautiful details and colors on them. Just perfect, like I said, for spring and summer. You can have it in front of your front yard or inside of your house, wherever you like. You can set this beautiful sign. I'm rubbing them on with a Cricut scraper, so it can be all nice on the sign. Simple as that. added a sticker with these beautiful parrots, and look how beautiful it came out. And welcome to my spring summer garden. What do you think? I'm really loving it. I'm loving the butterfly sign and all those beautiful happy spring summer colors. You gotta let me know what do you think, and if I gave you some inspirations for you to create for your home. Look at all those beautiful details on this sign. You gotta let me know how I did on this sign as well. I'm really loving it. All those beautiful flower edges with the cutouts and the transfer on stickers and the beautiful parrot couple in the middle. And what a beautiful chaos. And the wooden box with all those beautiful flowers with the greeneries. I'm really loving the whole setup. Let me know what do you think, and before I let you go to finish watching my final reveal, don't forget to check out the beautiful amazing playlist with my amazing talented friends Zana, Connie, and Brenda. Thank you so much for having me in this amazing collaboration today. All links are in my description box. And until next time, I'm sending you lots of love, lots of music, positive energy from me to you. Bye-bye.